What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna chug this water. It's quite a lot. I think it's gonna take me about 1 minute because I'm not like that YouTuber Badland Chugs on the internet, but he could probably chug this in about 2 seconds. I think I might do it in 1 minute. Anyway, let's get into it. Cheers. Oh, this is straight cold from the tap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was a big chug, guys. Okay, well, leave a like for more chugging. Bye.